Hello mga ka-beauty! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. And for today's video, magkakaroon po tayo ng unboxing ng air fryer na to. So matagal ko na rin po siyang hinihintay and finally dumating na po siya. And makikita nyo na po kung anong color at kung anong klaseng air fryer itong nakuha ko from Shopee. So another Budol sa Shopee po ito, guys. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe. Just click the subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated kayo po sa aking susunod pang video. Okay mga ka-beauty, so excited tayo sa unboxing na to. So without further ado, let's now go to the video.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute.
Okay, so itatry naman ngayon natin itong air fryer. According dito sa direction, na English naman yung direction niya. Ang pangalan niya ay air can air fryer. So this is automatic power off down. Features a timer, and when the timer reaches 0, the product will ring and then shut down automatically. To manually shut down the product, please turn the timing knob against the clock to 0. Ito yung timing knob. Ito naman yung temperature knob. Ayan. So, sabi kung first use daw, remove all packaging materials, then remove any sticker labels from the product. So, natanggal na namin yun. And then, rinse the basket and the fryer thoroughly with hot water, a little detergent, and non-abrasive sponge. So, ito, kaya nakahiwalay siya kasi naugasan na namin. Ito. Okay. So, kasi itatry natin siya. And then wipe the shell and the interior of the product with a damp cloth. Air fryer uses hot air. Do not grease the fryer. Yan. So, napunasan na rin siya. Ita-try ko dito sa air fryer today is itong chicken nuggets. So, let's start. Lagyan lang natin ng nuggets. Okay, so pag nalagay na natin yung iluluto natin, natin siya dito. Iigutin lang natin ito munang temperature sa 200 degrees Celsius. Ito yung 200 degree. Tapos 15 to 18 minutes yung timer niya. So ito yun, timer natin. Yan, nag-ilaw na siya. So, wait na lang tayo ng 15 to 18 minutes bago maluto. Ayan mga ka-beauty, we're still waiting dun sa air fryer na maluto yung nilagay nating nuggets. So, 15 to 18 minutes yan, kaya hintay-hintay muna tayo. So, balikan ko kayo later after 15 to 18 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so narinig na natin siyang tumunog. So, tapos na yung pagluluto niya. Then, kukuhanin na natin. Titignan natin kung nalutong mabuti yung ating nuggets. Okay. Pwede na natin i-open kasi narinig na natin yung tunog niya. So, luto na. Tignan natin. Ayan. Medyo nagmantika siya. Medyo nagmantika yung nuggets. Magkaroon ng oil. So, yan. Ang na-observe ko while cooking yung nuggets ay walang amoy na yung sunog, amoy sunog. Kasi may mga ibang air fryer na nakikita ko sa comment section na may amoy burn plastic or sunog yung amoy ng air fryer nila. So, walang ganong amoy. Ang naaamoy ko lang is yung amoy ng nuggets. Tapos, tahimik din siya. Halos wala namang sound yung air fryer. Tapos, dito sa banda dito, kasi may, dito lang yung bantang mainit sa taas. Kasi nakalagay naman dito, hot surface. So, huwag na lang lalapit dito sa mga may mainit dito. Tapos, tahimik lang. Walang masyadong ingay yung air fryer. Yun ang mahalaga, walang amoy sunog, yun, walang ganong amoy, okay naman siya doon sa akin. Tapos, eto, luto naman yung itsura ng nuggets. Ayan. So, okay naman siya at I hope na share ko sa inyo yung ating unboxing lang today nitong air fryer na color mint green. So, ang ganda niya. And okay naman yung naging pagluto ko sa kanya. And yung first impression natin sa kanya. Yun lamang mga ka-beauty. I hope na nabigyan ko kayo ng idea about sa air fryer na to. And kung nagustuhan niyo yung video at di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, just click the subscribe button and yung notification bell para updated ulit kayo sa mga susunod pang videos. So, yun lang mga ka-beauty. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!